Natasha Cunningham. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator, and I create portrait-focused digital collages. I'm based in beautiful Hellshire, located in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Hellshire is home to a lot of greenery, cacti, crocodiles, and the famous Hellshire Beach. My style is a combination of people and elements that help to tell their stories. I enjoy working with plants, flowers, vibrant colors, and textures. My inspiration is always changing. Right now, I'm inspired by artists and writers whose work focus on the Black experience, what inspires them, and the impact that their art makes. Exploring texture and blending layers is the part of my process that I look forward to the most. I usually spend a lot of time going back and forth through the blending modes trying to find the right result. My secret sauce to speeding up this process is a simple shortcut that has been saving me a lot of time. This shortcut allows you to quickly cycle through the blending modes from your keyboard without having to manually click through the drop-down list of blend modes. To get started, ensure that the layer that you want to blend is selected and that the Move tool is also selected. Set your blend mode to normal and then start moving through your blend mode with the keyboard shortcuts, Shift and the minus key or the plus key.